Alright, YouTube, this is the DTX by Nomad model DTX220, and I've modified it a little bit because I've noticed that there are some issues when it swims. And so, number one, when I was watching an underwater video, when this thing swims, the back hook would be like all over the place, and more wear happens in the rear than over here. So what I did to relieve some of that is I put a swivel and then another split ring and then a 9/0 hook, and that seems to help keep the hook more steady and streamlined. Whereas regards to this, I've always wondered why they had two eyelets. So if you put it here on the recessed eyelet, it's for what's called hydro speed, which means you can 12 up to the maximum of 12 knots, as according to the description. If you put it here, you cannot troll too fast. It will fly out of the water. And I've changed the hooks. These are 9/0 Mustad, very strong hooks. You notice the barbs are bigger, whereas the original it came with was an inline hook with a very tiny barb. You can lose fish that way. And what I've also learned from the guy in Australia, he's the creator of the Pakula lures. When you sharpen the hook towards the eye, your hookup ratio improves. And I've noticed that myself. I hardly lose the fish or hardly get a missed bite. So I've been sharpening all my hooks, the tip aimed towards the eyelet. So this is the Nomad DTX220 LRS long range special, and so far it's been working quite well. I've caught quite a bunch of wahoo with this.